So guys, as you saw, you had a bunch of gaps there. We got some scuffs there. We got some scuffs at the back. And I come to see this guy here. So guys, this guy's the new owner. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. This episode, it's a bittersweet one, guys. It's a bittersweet one because we are saying goodbye to my infamous. You all have seen me rebuild this car. I've driven this car. I've enjoyed this car. But this episode, we say goodbye to my BMW M135i, and yeah, I'm a bit sad. I don't want to sell it. If I didn't have a YouTube channel, I would drive it and enjoy it and skirt it around the bits and have a lot of fun. However, I've got a YouTube channel to run, Salvage Nation, and I feel like this is just holding up a space and a slot, and I've done everything that I can do with this car. So, when one build ends, another one begins. But before we can officially end this one, there's a few bits that I need to tidy up. You guys have seen it all. Let me show you all the bits that's wrong with this car and what I need to do before Sunday, which is about 2 days away, where I'm gonna meet one of my subscribers who is purchasing this car from me. And then later on in the episode, I've got a new build coming to replace this as the main staple of the channel. Anyway, let's get into it. So guys, as you saw, you had a bunch of gaps there. We got some scuffs there. We got some scuffs at the back. And I come to see this guy here, the guru himself, the car whisperer. Yeah, you're gonna take this all off?
I'm not taking anything now.
Yeah, you sort it out.
I'm gonna look.
Little gaps there, just little things. You know what? I'm not even gonna lie. It's my own car, and I just neglected putting everything back together the way it should because I was in a rush to film and work on other builds and do all sorts. So I'm just gonna leave it here with Mustafa, and then I'll catch up with you guys once it's done. Proper, yeah?
Proper stuff, man. Pusiano bombalaji.
What kind of language is that?
Stuff.
Proper, yeah?
Proper stuff, man. Pusiano bombalaji.
What kind of language? Always stick to your max. They're bidding, I'm not bidding a penny more. Yeah, stay tuned. look at that. Listen, you see this guy, I can't stand him. He annoys me, but he's a good painter. He went ahead and we sprayed all the little bits and bobs around the car, and now the new owner of this car has requested to have these little canards painted gloss black. So guess what? He's gonna get them gloss black.
Take this car out now.
Yeah? Yeah.
Because I want this car to be straight up.
No problem. Have a look at this corner. This corner had a few scuffs and everything. Guys, just look at that paintwork. Once again, no booth, and we haven't even polished yet, but it's looking amazing. Mustafa, for all the new people watching, how long you been in the game? Guys, this is where it all started. Salvage Nation started in Mustafa's garage. How long you been doing this?
40 years.
40 years. And Akil was very busy. I normally take all my cars and Akil does all my spraying, but I wanted this car done ASAP because it's leaving the channel, it's going, and Mustafa done an amazing job. So if you guys are ever in need of a sprayer, come down to H&A Autos. If you're an OG subscriber, you'll know the first 6 months, all my videos were filmed in this garage. And guys, he's a guru when it comes to the lining up and everything, and trust me, the lines, everything on the car is looking amazing now. But once again, we need to finish off those canards, and I need to finish off a few bits on the interior, and then I'll be doing a road trip, the final road trip in the M135i. This episode is gonna be crazy. And remember, yesterday, when I was sat over there, I was bidding, and I think I just won my next build on the channel. So we're gonna get this one out, he's gonna start spraying, and then we're gonna see what we get up to. Oh, my baby.
Proper hardener and lacquer.
Okay.
Very good. Like mirror, you are more. I do more shiny.
So guys, I've come down to the South Coast where I spend a lot of time. If you're OG on the channel, you would know that I spend quite a lot of time down here in Brighton / Worthing on the South Coast. And this is where I like to come down, just get away from the hustle and bustle of London, have a little think. And yeah, I'm in my feelings today, guys, because we're saying goodbye to a car that I've put a lot of hard work, hard graft. I've put a lot into this build, and yeah, it's a little bit surreal, but it's done. You've just seen earlier on in this episode, I took care of all the scratches. I've done all the lining up. I made sure that everything was looking in tip-top condition in this car. There was a few buttons that I had to sort out. There are so many little minor things that, because it was my personal car, I neglected, but it's all done now. I'm gonna be heading back to London in a couple of hours, and we're gonna be handing over this car to its new owner, which is a bit weird because this was my baby. And believe me, if I never had you guys, if I never had Salvage Nation, I wouldn't have been able to get through that build, because that build was treacherous. But more importantly, we kept it moving. And if it wasn't for you guys and wanted to provide the best possible content for you guys, I wouldn't be selling this car. I just feel like it's time to freshen up the channel, come with something new. And speaking of something new, as soon as we get back to London, this car is gonna go. I don't even know what it's gonna be yet. I haven't filmed it yet, but I know that I'm gonna stitch it right after this, and you guys are gonna be seeing the new build on Salvage Nation. But with that said, I've had a blast in this car, but now it's time to hand it over. So let's get back to London. So guys, this guy's the new owner of the M135i. How do you feel?
Very excited.
Yeah? Yeah. Nice one, bro. I appreciate it. So, but anyway, before you get that one, we're gonna take you out for this one. See how it is. It's gonna be nice. There you go. These are for you. Yep. Enjoy them. You gotta keep it moving. What's this one? Daily key tag and keep it moving. Air freshener. But yeah, it's got an M4, man. This one is just a complete different beast.
What?
How much? 6. You see, you can't help but drive these cars with a smile on your face.
And this car is just...
So bro, you've seen the M4, you've got the new M135i. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you, man.
Hope you enjoy it. Take good care of it.
Take care of it.
I put my heart, my soul into that car. You know that. You've been watching.
I know.
So yeah, just take care of it, and all the best on your holiday, man.
Thank you.
No worries. Any problems? Give me a dick. You guys are nuts. You like it, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, it's a bit of a sad moment, but it's a moment that had to happen for the sake of the channel, and I'm okay with that. But the M135i is gone, finito. You will not be seeing it again. It's no longer in my possession. I've passed it on to my guy Abel. He's gonna be driving that all across Europe. He says he's got big plans for it, and I hope that he enjoys it. But it's time for us to enjoy something else, and stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel, because I'm telling you, we got something nice coming. That's all I'm gonna say. Right, we're gonna end the episode here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, press the like button. If you wanna subscribe, subscribe. If not, thank you for watching. And like I always say, boom, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one. Guys, thank you for watching. Click here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch. Click here to watch one of my previous episodes. And like it said there, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We out.